all you fine folks. Welcome back to my channel. My name is America from America's Abstracts. If you're new here, hi! I like to use fluid art to distract myself from my various chronic illnesses. So, as a result of that, you guys get either a how-to and or a creation video twice a week on Thursdays and Sundays. Alright folks, sorry that I was not able to upload right on Thursday like I planned. I had all my footage, I had everything pretty much ready, but my phone didn't want to cooperate with memory space. And not only that, but my computer didn't want to cooperate with memory space, so oh joy. Yes, I know I'm 30 and technology should be my best friend, but it isn't sometimes, so I digress. If you guys didn't already know, I do the Sheleeart style blooms and swipes. I use Carruthers recipe, and I will eventually do a video where I show how to mix it up. I just wanted to make sure I wouldn't get in trouble for it because I am a part of the group. I took the class and I've loved every second of it, but I also don't want to disrespect those that have taken the class like me. So, if you guys have been wanting to know what I use as my cell activator, stay tuned for the next video. I will be showing how I mix my cell activator up, as well as other colors of cell activator, and then see them in use. So be staying tuned for next video. Next Thursday's video will be how I mix up my cell activator. So, like I said, it's Carruthers recipe. You can have it, but if you need extra tips, just take the class. I can also be a part to assist you for that. So, if you want to get 15% off the course for the Sheleeart e-course, I will list this up here. So, Thursday's video, which ended up being a Saturday video, was talking about Yupo paper and its use for fluid art and if it could be done or not. And I showed that you could do a bloom and a swipe as long as essentially the main tip from that, as long as you take from it, is reduce the amount of pill paint that you have for either your bloom or your swipe for your Yupo paper, and things will not dry distorted. Today's video is inspired by the lovely Billie Gaura. She is a fellow Sheleeart member. She is a part of the Sheleeart team, as well as the part of Fluid Art Co., who releases all my beautiful Little Piggy Pigments. So I was so inspired by her doing this bloom swipe, like a swipe spin, but she has a pottery wheel and I really just have a spinner, so I wanted to see if it would work for me, see how it works, and I decided to use my fluorescent pigments. So I hope you guys love how it turned out. I'm going to be doing more, maybe thinking of doing something like a wave pattern, but with like wave pattern colors, like watercolors. Comment down below what you think I should do for if I should do another bloom swipe. What you guys would like to see me do, because I just am going to be doing my fluorescent palette that I got from this Little Piggy Pigments. Colors are in the description as well as listed as they appear on the video. This painting right here is actually inspired from fellow Sheleeart artist in my Sheleeart group, Billie Gaura. I don't think she has a YouTube channel, otherwise I'd shout out to her YouTube channel. Billie, if you're watching this and you do have a YouTube channel, please tell me about it. I will definitely share it. But this was inspired by her spin swipe. I don't have a pottery wheel, so I'm just doing this by hand, but I think this looks pretty damn cool for by hand, being fluorescent. It's like a cool open sign. I'm gonna spin it out just a little bit more because I think that there's a little bit of paint that can come off, so get ready. Just remember, every time I use this Little Piggy fluorescent pigments, any of those, they're going to be black light reactive. So any paintings that you might buy from me that has any of this Little Piggy pigments that are groovy, techno, grunge, boogie, funk, and then also I use a mixture of Dayglo Horizon Blue with Golden Teal, because Dayglo Horizon Blue dries really dark. That darker one is the Horizon Blue by itself. That's plus the teal. So I get the fluorescence plus the teal, and then I'm happy. So well guys, I think I'm gonna tip just a little bit off this way. I think I'm close because I can tell that nothing's really wanting to move right now. So that's at least a good idea. I can tell that I had just enough paint on there. That's something I've been struggling with, is having too much paint. I'm trying to just be conservative on that because this method is not cheap by any means. So it is a slow process, but it looks like we're getting towards this corner. I really want this corner to start not being negative space. I want the negative space to be more up top, kind of like a crazy little wave. All right, I'm gonna see if I can spin it off. All right. I can tell you right now, I am loving this lacing up here. Even loving the lacing to the negative space I got. Like, I'm not usually the best with that, so for me to capture this in a painting for a spin swipe, I think is pretty damn cool. So we're gonna hopefully preserve this when we spin this out. All right, ready? All right, we did. It's exactly what I wanted. Just kind of like a neon wave. What do you guys think? Like I said, swipe style, the swipe spin is all Billie Gaura. She started this little technique with us, and after the first one, I gotta say I'm intrigued and I want to do more. So you got me, Billie. But take a little bit to admire how this rainbow is going through as I spin it, and the cell activator works through the rainbow until the negative space, and I just think that is like what I wanted from this 12-inch round. So I'm gonna spin just one more time, maybe get a little bit of, if this is extra paint, get a little bit of extra off there. I just want to make sure this dries correctly. Pray to the drying gods. Alright, Alright, that looks like that's about all that's gonna spin off. So folks, I'm gonna do a close up and I'm gonna do a slow spin. So starting from there, this entire 12-inch round just looks gorgeous. This was the spin swipe from Billie Gaura. There's definitely, I lost some of mine towards the end, but in all honesty, I still really love the composition of this. So tell me guys, what do you think? Not bad for my first spin swipe? You know, I've been loving that fluorescent palette, so let's see. This does look super cool for the spin swipe. So this is kind of a little close-up of what the little flashlight can get. But yeah. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed how that bloom swipe looked. I thought that looked so cool. Yeah. I also plan on uploading my unicorn videos. Comment down below if you think I should do them as shorts or if you think I should do them as a nice little Zen compilation. I would list that as a, what, ASMR? Like oddly satisfying video, something like that. Just let me know. I will see you guys next time. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good start to your week. Be nice to one another. Just keep on keeping on. You're not alone. So I love each and every one of you. And I will see you next week. Thanks. Bye.